How to recover Bank of America user ID for online banking. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to recover your online ID or your username for Bank of America application, you can follow out these simple steps step by step. So head over to a browser and we can head over to bankofamerica.com and open it up and open up the dashboard. After that, in order to recover, it's pretty easy. So within this login page right here on our left hand side, we can find a section called Forgot User ID or Password right below the login button. So we need to find this option right here and click on it, and that will lead us to this page right here. So here, what we need to do is we need to first of all provide in the card or account number last 6 digits, and right below it we need to provide in the SSN or the tax ID, which is TIN. So we need to provide it up and click on this option called next. If you don't have those, we also have this option called try another method to recover your info. You can use this option right here and provide in this details such as checking savings account number, ATM or debit card number, ATM debit card PIN, and head over and click on next and follow up the process. Once you do so, we need to verify our identity by entering in the code that will be received on our email or phone. So enter it up and your online ID will be shown on the screen. We can just go over and recover it that way. And you can also use the application of Bank of America and follow the similar process, follow the same process and recover your ID. And if you do not have access to your registered phone or email, or your account is blocked, you can call Bank of America customer support or visit a branch with a valid ID. And then you should be able to recover it. And that's it. Your online ID is usually something you created, not your email address, unless you choose it. So keep it very safe, securely after recovery. So that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.